Okay, so while we, oh my gosh, okay, while we were like out of town, like the past so many days, like to so many places, we were at Walmart grabbing a cooler for our Trader Joe's things. And I saw these tank tops, so I got matches. This is Believe in Yourself with this unicorn. Sorry, I got one for Allie and one for Adri, like for 4th of July, which is actually tomorrow. So it's like the sparkly silver glitter. Don't mind all the noise downstairs. They're downstairs dancing and playing and music's going and everything. So yeah, so then we got this. And actually the back is like the twist back. I just have it hanging over the ledge of Jax's bed. So Adrian and Allie each have that one. And then Jackson got this like red, white, and blue camouflage shirt, little tank tops. They'll have tank tops for tomorrow. It's supposed to be like 91 tomorrow. So yeah, I picked those up at Walmart in Fort Wayne, Indiana. Also, when we were in Fort Wayne, we stopped at Marshall's and got this cute little outfit for Jax. It was $9.99, just this little champion t-shirt with the matching shorts. And then, I don't know if I'm really anything. I'm doing laundry, actually. I'm doing laundry. And then I got these flip-flops. They're so cute. They're Tommy Bahama little flip-flops. These were $12.99. Look, they're like the light colored camo. I love them. These are so cute. And I also got these. My flip-flops are like so stretched out. My foot, like when I walk, my left foot, like my toe is off of my shoe. Because I had them for years. And then these were $9.99. These are Juicy Couture. Look how cute these are. Because they're like sequins. They're so cute. They're really cute on. So yeah, I got 2 pair of flip-flops. I'll show them to you. Okay. So here are, let me go over in the light. So here are, oh my gosh. Why don't I use my zoom button? That would make it a lot easier. So here are these, the Juicy Couture, black with the sparkly rhinestones. And then here are these, the light colored camo. They're so cute. I love them both. Okay, so then for Adri, I picked up these leggings. They're from Justice. Well, they're from Bud at Marshall's. So these Justice leggings that say Justice, they dance, they have the glitter on them. They were $7.99. Then I got her these cute little sweatpants, joggers that say Justice on them. They were $12.99. And then these cute little shorts that are Justice. Our Justice closed, so we don't have that store. So these shorts are $5.99. So when I saw these at Marshall's, I'm getting there a few things. So I got those for Adri. And for Allie Bug, focus here. I got this cute little 2-pack of shorts. So it's these little tie-dye shorts with a little white stripe on the side. And then the purple ones with the white stripes on the side. And then it has, what, 2 scrunchies in there. And that was $7.99. And then this little cute little pajama set. So it's pajamas for her, like the t-shirt and shorts with unicorn cupcakes and stuff. And then a little pair of pajamas for her baby doll. So that's what I picked up for Allie. And then for myself, I got these cute little, it says Jacqueline Intimates. I don't know. These are pajama pants. They're like this pink and white tie-dye. They have pockets. And like the cuff, it's not super tight, but it has like a little cuff. It's like on my loose pants, when I walk around barefoot in my house, I like trip on my pant legs with my toes. So anyway, these are super silky soft. So I got these. They were $9.99. Oh my gosh, they feel so cozy. And then I picked up this 3-pack of just Calvin Klein underwear, and they were $14.99. Just black, gray, and coral. They're ribbed like tank tops too. They're normally $33. They were $14.99. So I got those. I need to go through my underwear because I have so many pairs I need to just get rid of. And then, last but not least, Jay got a pair of these shorts, the Spider brand. Yeah, I don't know if, yeah, they just, I don't know. They're just these shorts for $14.99. And that's everything from Marshall's. Okay, nope, that's not everything. When I was at the races, like when it got dark, I took my sunglasses off to wear like my regular clear safety glasses because of dirt flies. And then I ended up smashing my glasses and broke my sunglasses. That was like 2 weekends ago. I've been wearing them ever since. So I got these Tahari sunglasses. They have this cute little thing outside. It's not going to focus. And they were $12.99. And then these $9.99, these Tommy Hilfiger sunglasses. And that's everything from Marshall's. Okay, how do you kill time waiting for fireworks to start for 2.5 hours?
I was sitting down with the potato. Jax is shoving.
She just hit me in the eye. It's not so funny though. She literally just hit me in the eye. Oh my. We have Smurfs playing for them to watch.
Firework jar out of necklaces back here.
Adrian's breaking down. Oh my gosh, she really hit me in the eye.
I never had a sister.
What time did we get here?
7. Now.
7.
Oh yeah, so we got here at 7. Fireworks are at 10. So we've been sitting in this car for 3 hours. We want to try and get close up to the beach so we can walk to the beach so they can play, but no. So it's just nothing but, as far as you can see, just cars and cars and cars and cars.
Now.
What are you doing back there, Jaxie?
I'm making a firework jar.
There's a parking lot over there, but there's like no sand. It's just a big grassy area. But it's like we didn't bring anything to play in the grass. Oh, you have a necklace, buddy? Ooh. Oh, cool. Adri's making a little firework jar. Okay, so we got. What is this one? Is this number 2?
Yes.
Look at her. Oh gosh. Right in the forehead.
Allie's literally dead over here.
How much do you do without one?
Hello? Oh, my favorite green turtle. So you guys are being... Guys, like, wait, I want to show them my new shirt. I got a new Harley Davidson motorcycle shirt. I can't even sit up straight.
It's like purple with glitter.
We're almost there. We got an hour.
Okay, Smurfs, off the garden now. It's okay.
Patrick, there's actually something that I no, actually, you're staying here. That's not what I was even.
What? Did he drop his beads? Hey,
Let's do it. We're gonna get some.
we're down to 1 hour, right? What time is it?
Down to 1 hour.
What time is it exactly?
9
Let's go.
Exactly. Ow. 58 minutes. We think they start at 10. We don't really know.
What if they start at 12?
Well, they might be a little bit before 10. We don't know.
I will take you to your home.
Oh, noodle in my ear.
I want a hurts and blistered meat.
This is what I wanted.
Okay, so we're out here. They should be doing fireworks anytime. We came across. Look at Jackson's sure looks so glowy in my camera. So it's getting dark out. It looks way lighter. Yeah, there we go. It's starting to get dark.
Can you spin it?
Stay sitting down. There's kids all over.
Spin it around.
Like with light up swords and stuff. Adrian, stay right here. Look at his shirt in my camera. It looks neon.
No, yeah. That's what's doing.
So we put a blanket
it looks
down.
light out. And that.
I know, but then once you put it
Lay
there.
down.
So lay down. That's fine.
Guys, look at the dress.
Yeah, those are the lanterns. Whoa! Do you see that one, buddy? That's someone just shooting off at their house.
Hopefully, we're that close. That'd be awesome.
They've got sparklers, people. I didn't bring any glow sticks or anything. Oh my god, we did terrible.
I was about to remind you when we got there, but it was just so
Okay.
chaotic.
I forgot.
when we were getting in the car.
Ooh, there was one out there. Some people are shooting things off from
Oh,
their
that's
boats. Is that them?
Yeah, it's gotta be.
Allie, can you see? Out there, Allie bug, out there.
There's a firework in the jar.
Okay, Adri. Shh.
Yeah, that's it. Wow, we're far away.
What's I said? If they're shooting them off clear over there, then we're not going to see them with
That's
their
it,
crap
then.
here. Well, you might have to hold Jax up or he's not going to see anything. No, that's not them. That's just
I guarantee you that's them. That sucks though, because that's like far away.
No, that's not them.
I bet it is.
They wouldn't have stopped. Don't listen to Jay.
There's fireworks over there.
Okay, so there's like fireworks. I have no makeup on. This is like leftover from yesterday. But there's like fireworks going off everywhere. I don't know why it's looking so light over there. It's really not. Hey, stay right here.
Yeah, it makes it look like it's light out.
Okay, and let's make sure it looks like it's glowing. Ooh, there's one right there. Yeah, they're all over, huh? Next year, we'll be here all day so they can play on the beach.
Sure. Wow, that's long. Okay, guys.
Okay, now it's gonna get windy. Can't see him. Adrian, why don't you put her down, okay? What? I know, there's nothing to see yet. What if you trip and twist your ankle? Okay, what about that? What's that over there? Jay?
Hope not it. I don't think they start till 10, babe. We still got 10 minutes.
The longest 10 minutes of my life. How you doing down there, buddy?
Guys, get off the grass. That's gonna be itchy.
I had to put Allie down.
I know.
You could have put her down on the blanket. These two rotten kids. And this little rotten boy. Hi, buddy. Hi, we could watch fireworks? I know it's dark out here, huh? Just a few more. Oh, did you see one over there? Just a few more minutes, okay? Oh, I have a flash on here. I don't know how I use it. Whoa. Oh, here it is.
Like right here.
How do I use the flash?
So go like this.
I've never used flash on my camera. Apparently I can, but I don't know how.
Man, there's like no signal over here. It's crazy.
Hi. Hi, sweet boy. You see yourself on there?
Take a drop.
How do I
So now, stand up.
It won't be long. Oh, she's...
Oh, here.
It's okay. It's okay.
Here, I got her.
It's okay.
Ah.
Ooh. Let's see. Let me zoom in.
Yeah, fireworks.
I don't know. Just no. We'll have to get in the car. It's gonna be super busy. Wow.
You don't have to stroller.
Yeah, I know. We brought the stroller bits over there in the car.
Why? Why do?
I don't know, because we forgot it. Wow. Wow.
Watch it, Mom. Put me down so I can see it.
Oh, okay. You don't need me to hold you?
I want to shoot it now. It's over fire.
No, Adri. You have him? Okay. Can you see okay, Allie? Wow.
Literally, too. Literally.
Shooting them off across the lake.
Let me go get the other chair. I'm okay. I can just go ahead. That's cool. There's my sign, too.
Yeah. That's in somebody's car.
He might have to come down here if he wants to.
Why is the light on in there?
I just opened the door.
Whoa.
Wanna go out?
Well, must be going to music.
Somebody's got the music on. Where's my jar at?
Jax has it.
Jaxie, can I have my jar?
Can you just watch the fireworks? Can you see them down there, guys? Fireworks.
We should have went to the other side of the lake, closer to line. Those are awesome.
Mom, look at that green one.
I see. They're pretty, huh?
Pink.
It doesn't want to focus on them.
It is really blue.
Sorry.
It is really blue.
Ooh.
We're going on a boat next year.
We're gonna have our own boat next year. What do you think, buddy? Two bare feet on the dashboard. I haven't heard this song in a long time.
Yoo-hoo!
I tried. I can't see you. It's too dark. Yeah, it's too dark. I just tried. Ooh, Allie, you like those?
Oh,
We need to bring 3D glasses because watching fireworks with 3D glasses is awesome.
Yeah, fireworks.
Yeah, you dancing?
where did you go?
She's right here on the blanket.
Mom, look, watch my trip, Mom.
I'm watching fireworks, Allie. Oh, okay. Okay. Wow.
That one up in the sky looks like
Saturn.
I know you.
Watch mine trip.
Allie, look, I'm watching the fireworks, honey.
But
Yeah. Stay right here, please. What do you think, buddy?
Why'd you pick the blanket up? I gotta put him down.
I'm cold.
they got the sound sucking. You don't have to sit down because you can barely see it.
Where's that? I gotta put him down.
You won't be able to see him.
You're not getting it.
Adri, unroll that, please.
I already put everything in the car. Well, we'll have to put the chairs in there. What?
Bring the cushion.
I can still see everything.
There's one over there too.
He's right here, sweetie.
For a minute, it looked like the
Look
fireworks.
at those little ones.
Because read one. Three up.
Those
What are those?
sweet.
Well, look at those green.
Oh, those are neat.
They're just staying red the whole time. Look at that.
Ow.
Guys, they're almost done. Oh my gosh, I'm itchy. Whole bunches.
Keep watching.
Finale.
It's probably finale. Getting ready.
Stay by me, Allie, okay? Allie, stay by me. There's gonna be a whole bunch. Look. Whole bunches.
I can sit down in the grass.
No, they're about to be over.
There you
Look
go.
at Allie, look. Adrian just wants to roll around in the grass. Look. Dad has him. No, I can't hold you. Your two guys are too heavy. It's almost over. Stand right here and hold my hand.
Lucky buddy.
Okay? You can. Whoa.
Gotcha.
I'm just trying to hold my arm still. My arms are ready to break. I had him in one arm and this in the other. Look, Allie.
It's black.
Ooh,
Look
looky.
at that.
My black.
Yeah. Look at them all. Allie, look.
Mom, let me sit down.
Wow.
Max, do you have my drawer?
Dude, these are amazing.
Thank you.
Oh, look, buddy, look.
Wow.
That is awesome.
I've never seen that many fireworks in my life.
Yay!
Fireworks.
Those are good. Ah, that's recording.
Okay, well, slow. Okay, that's it. You didn't hold it still long enough to see the traffic.
I can't. There.
There's still some going on.
I know.
No, I'm talking to the camera. You can kind of see through the camera across the lake. That's across the lake. Those little ones over there. Oh my gosh, it's zooming in so far. Look. Look on here. It zoomed in 17 times.
Oh, look at that dog.
Did you hear that lady? She said, we're so fortunate we have the ability to watch things like this and to do things like this. Yeah, more people need to think that way.
What'd she say?
So we're really fortunate that we have the ability to come do things like this and watch things like this, because not everybody does. Still try to see the fireworks through their window, but look out there at the lake. Out on the lake. Okay, lean your head back. I'm trying to get. Oh, now somebody else's lights over there. We got all those lights over there. It's just nothing but boats out there across the lake. It's insane.
Oh, God.
We got one?
Yeah, just that person has their headlights on. Oh, look, they're shooting fireworks over there.
They're not letting us in here.
And if the human drive